Hello to all from Biomass. Let's learn the theory of spontaneous generation or abiogenesis. Until 17th century people had no idea about how life originates. They predicted like this way. Epicurus said worms and numerous other animals were generated from the soil or manure by the action of moisture and warmth of the sun and air. Aristotle said the common worms, bee larvae, wasps, ticks, glowworms and various other insects are born from dew, rotten slime, manure, dry wood, sweat and meat, etc. Eels develop from sea mud, frogs and salamanders from coagulated slime and butterflies from cheese. 2000 years later, Van Helmont described that mice arise from wheat barn and sweaty shirt kept in a pot for 21 days in dark room. All those theory of abiogenesis was discredited by Francisco Redi, Spallanzani and Pasteur.
Now let's learn the theory of biogenesis. What is the concept? Life can arise from pre-existing life, not from non-living matter. What is biogenesis? Biogenesis is the production of new living organisms or organelles from pre-existing living things by reproduction. Francisco Redi's experiment. Flies attracted to smell of rotten flesh laid eggs on it, created new maggots when the eggs hatched, but they never be created from meat. Redi placed lumps of boiled meat in 3 jars A, B and C. Jar A was left uncovered, jar B was covered with fine gauze or muslin cloth and jar C with tight cork. The meat decayed in all the jars, but maggots appeared only in the uncovered jar A, where flies could lay their eggs on meat. Plenty of flies were seen sitting and laying eggs on muslin cloth, but no maggots appeared on the meat in jar B and C. Lazzaro Spallanzani's experiment. Hay infusion was in 8 bottles and he boiled all of them. 4 of them were just corked and other 4 were made airtight. After a few days, thick growth of microorganisms were seen in all the corked bottles but no organisms in the airtight bottles. Conclusion: air contains microorganisms and was the source of contamination. Louis Pasteur's experiment. Mixture of sugar and yeast powder poured in a flask and filled about half of it with water. It softened the neck of the flask and had given the shape of S. The contents of the flask were boiled till strong current of steam rushed out from the curved neck. It results the flask free of microbes and made the contents sterile. The flask was cooled and left undisturbed. No change appeared even after 18 months. Neck of the flask was broken, then tilted and the solution of the flask came in contact with air and microbial growth started. Conclusion: air contains microorganisms, which could not reach the solution in swan-necked flask and settled in curved neck. This supports the concept that life cannot arise spontaneously under conditions that exist on Earth today.